get out there, of course. Look, food's going to become bright, so there's more food to come, but from a rodeo, from everything. Guess what, lads? My car just said to me that he's thirsty, so I was like, let's go for a pint of petrol, boy. Come on, have a bite. They really like when I recorded them early in the morning. Yum, 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 yum. You can be reasonable, don't be impolite. I told you once, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000 times. Oh, it's wet. Right. Do you have a wipe? The clothes?
No, actually I don't.
I don't want to wet my ass. Oh, it's fine.
You're okay. You'll survive.
Yes, it's just a 1-minute speech. Hi everyone. So we are in Ardglass, isn't it? So it's around 6. The Irish Kayak Angling Club is fishing, as I said, in Ardglass. The weather is gorgeous. It's stunning. It's flat out there. I don't know. Can you see there now? It's just gorgeous. I hope it's going to remain like that. Yesterday it was a bit windy, but didn't put us off obviously of fishing. We got lots of species yesterday, so we are hoping for the same today. I hope you're going to enjoy this video again. So subscribe on our channel and enjoy more of the videos that I'm making, and join the club. Click on the link down below and just register on our website. You're very welcome. You can join this paradise, and all the best. Do you want to say anything for my intro?
No.
Are you sure?
I'm most sure.
Yeah, that's Ricardo with his new beast. He got the brand new Hobie out back. Lovely kayak. I tried it out yesterday and it's really gliding. The steering is just unreal. To be honest, I can't choose to on the Mirage drive because I have my paddle drive, but it's great. It's great. Very comfortable kayak. Lovely kayak. We'll see how his get on today on the water. So Ricardo, best of luck.
Thank you.
What's that look about?
It's my secret weapon.
Okay.
And my lunch.
To scare off the anglers, huh? And that's Dave's beast. There's lots of bullet holes in there. I wouldn't go out in water with these holes, but look, Dave is one hell of a brave man, so probably this doesn't bother him. Nah.
Look at Bear Grylls guy.
How's it going? All set?
Alan here.
The camera guy. The annoying one.
Get a picture of Joe's new haircut.
Alan, you can do it. Let's see. Yeah, it's better now. You see, it's not slided anymore.
Yeah, that's a nice job.
That's the job, boy. That's the job. Fixed. Let's fix your part now. Why you're so quiet now when I start the camera?
Is the camera going, is it?
It's rolling.
Rolling.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty.
You can continue putting it on, don't worry. I'm just making a short footage, especially when we have a lady in the club. So it's changing, there's a bit of a diversity. Nice. Best of luck today. It's my turn. Smile, Kevin. So, as always, Kevin is going to give me my card here, the species, the competition card.
I love the way you say 5. It's kind of a mixed bit of a cork
A
accent.
wee bit of cork coming out there, yeah.
Do you want to put
Yes, it's 3-5.
Notify next of kin. Here's my emergency.
Yeah.
And you have a VHF?
Yes.
What colour is the dry suit?
Black and blue.
I got a new dry suit on the right, and there's no flotation units on it.
And this time I'm lucky number
So I sent the
18.
man back a picture, it's refunded me instantly. Didn't ask for a back or anything, so I took the flotation units out of the other one.
Thanks, Kevin.
Best of luck, Alan.
Cheers. Lads, I'm lucky number 18. Wrasse, gold shiny Wrasse, gurnard, mackerel, poor cod, and I think that's it. Huh? Yeah, there. No, on a reef in front of him. There's nothing, just snag.
The tiny Wrasse in here. So I had two Wrasse and I got another, I don't know what it was, another 4 cod or something.
Really? Oh look, little flatty.
Challenge complete.
Well done. And this is the men who organized the competition and completed the challenge. So one more species, and this is little gold shiny. As you can see, lads, gorgeous fish. There's a number here hiding in there, and little poor cod. Woo!
For you.
Okay peeps, we're out. I'm literally wrecked. It was an amazing day. I just went down, as you're going to be able to see in the video, just to report the species. So I have 11, which is great. I completed the challenge, which is also great. But I have to refill my batteries. It was just unreal. So that's my super duper starter. And later on we're gonna have some barbecue, bit of a beer and stuff, and a bit of a chat, and happy days.
Right, everyone ready?
Stand straight.
Right, thank you everyone for coming, first of all. Wouldn't be a good meeting unless everyone turned up. So, big thanks to obviously our sponsors, the Brewery, Railblazer, Bixby, with some Shamrock gear, the whole lot. There's plenty of kit there. But other than that, just a thank you for everyone who commented, everyone who helped organise it. Andrew and Gary and a couple of other boys all pitched in there, and great help for everyone. Right, moving on. Good meat. We had a lot of species caught today. The best species caught was 17 species, which is, I think that's a first for here.
What was the total? Did you add up?
I haven't added up the total yet, but I think 17 is the highest I've ever seen here, which was fantastic. I had my best day today as well. It fished really well today. But first, to complete the challenge was 16 species, and the joker was Andrew McElhone.
Well done.
I don't. I'm going to pick it up the office and see if we'll swap it for WKD.
Look at me for the official photographs. Well done, Andy.
No, thank you.